How to hide chat on Twitch app. Hi everybody, you may follow up the steps in order to do so. So first of all, you can just go ahead and open up Twitch and head over to one of the stream. Just go ahead and tap on one of the streams. So for example, I am in the stream right here, so you can find chat right under the stream. So all you gotta do is when you head over to the video, tap on the video, you should be finding an option of flip the screen in the bottom right corner of the video. Just go ahead and tap on it. Just go ahead and tap on it. And then when you go ahead and tap on it here, you can see the chats in my left hand side of the screen. So all you gotta do is you may just go ahead and if any kind of chat is available on your screen, just go ahead and tap on your screen and look for this chat hide icon, tap on it like this, and it will change into no chat. But if you want to hide, all you gotta do is tap on it and cross mark like this, and it should change like hide the chat. And there you go. So this is the method you can follow up in order to do it as well. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.